Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2015 on a 65 plate Kia Venga 4. This is the 1.6 petrol with a 6-speed manual gearbox and 5 doors. Finished in dark gunmetal metallic, and it's covered just 28,000 miles. So we'll have a good walk around this very low mileage, very well specified Kia Venga. One of our most popular 5-door hatchbacks or small MPVs. Really good news on the used market. They tick an awful lot of boxes. This particular example is October 2015 registered. It's covered just 28,000 miles from 2 owners. We've got these lovely 16-inch diamond cut alloy wheels that are in fantastic condition for one of these. If you're looking at a few of them, you will see quite a lot of the wheels get chewed up, but these are in really good shape. It's also had, and you'll also be able to see through the wheels, very recent new brake pads and discs all the way around, front and rear. Last service was carried out in July of 2024, and prior to that, a really strong service history. 9 recorded services, so service right the way through its life. Absolutely bang on in terms of its maintenance. Just helps, doesn't it? The car's in lovely condition, and obviously when it's been mechanically looked after in the way that it has as well, you know you've got a good chance of having a nice car. Looks really classy in the gunmetal grey. £165 for 12 months tax, very sensible. 45 plus miles to the gallon on a combined run. Sensible insurance group as well, and obviously you do benefit on these Vengas from having a nice high seating position, which is one of its big selling features, I suppose. Nice and high up off the ground, easy to get in and out of. And this is the 4 level of specification, which is the highest level of spec they did on these Vengas. And for a car of this age, the level of equipment is absolutely tremendous. So, remote central locking does come supplied with 2 remote keys. It's keyless entry and keyless start. 4 electric windows, electronically adjustable and power folding door mirrors. It's got its original Venga carpet mats, which are in really good shape. Parking sensors at the rear, which you can switch off. Start-stop facility, which you can switch off. We've got this half leather interior. Seats are in really good shape. Centre armrests. Up above, we'll come to this bit while we're here. We've got a full-length twin panoramic glass roof, and this front section is opens electronically as well, so an electronic glass roof, and the rear roof is solid. And then you've got 2 blinds, one at the back and one at the front here, that fold over as sun protection. Really nice feature. Steering wheel's in very good shape. That's got a party piece as well. This steering wheel is heated using this button just here, and on a cold day like today is very nice indeed. There's your mileage, 28787 as it sits with us. Automatic lights. Onto the steering wheel, you've got controls for your radio, you've got your Bluetooth controls, you've got your cruise control with a speed limiter, manual handbrake, you've got some cup holders down there, some storage, 6-speed manual gearbox. In front you've got some more storage. You've also got a 12-volt socket, auxiliary with USB. Up above you've got air conditioning, or it's climatic air conditioning. You've got heated front seats with 2 settings, and obviously that lovely heated steering wheel as well. And then up onto your infotainment, you've got FM and AM radio, you've got satellite navigation, big wide screen on that as well. You've got Bluetooth for your telephone, you can run through there, and if I put the car into reverse, really nice big reversing camera at the back as well, and it's a push button start. So tremendous level of spec for a car of this age, like I say. In the glove box you've got all your handbooks and your locking wheel nut keys. Big windows, so visibility really impressive. And obviously with that 1.6 petrol engine, which is 115 or thereabouts horsepower, timing chain engine, so no cam belt to worry about replacing, ever so reliable, these Kias. Into the back, again it's got its carpet mats, loads of leg room, electric windows in the rear, 3 headrests with 3 proper seat belts. You've got a fold down armrest in the middle, ISOFIX of course for the child seats, So very comfortable 5-seater car, lovely condition, and bags of light and bags of headroom as well. Obviously quite a boxy shape, so really good family 5-door hatchback. And then into the load space. Split folding rear seats, parcel shelf at the top, and then you've got a twin layer boot space, a nice big loading area at the back with no lip to negotiate, nice flat loading area. That lifts out to give you some more space down below, some storage and so on. And underneath again, it just keeps going, I believe. It's quite difficult with one hand, but you can just see there, you do have a spare wheel in the back as well. So, there we go. Ticks a lot of boxes, this one. October 2015 Kia Venga 4, top of the range model, 1.6 petrol with a manual gearbox, 28,000 miles from 2 owners with a 9-stamp service history, including a service in July 2024 and also new brake pads and discs all round as well. Finance is available from less than £180 a month based on a 10% deposit, and the car will come supplied with a fresh advisory, free MOT, along with 2 keys and our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty. And we do work on an appointments only basis, so if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk, and for any more information, registration number, insurance groups and specific technical specs, do have a look at the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Really nice example, loaded with extras, properly nice family car. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next.